Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, today I'm gonna do a unboxing of the Louis Vuitton, and it's from Fashionphile. This is my second unboxing and I'm pretty excited. I opened the box. Came with a nail filer. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. That's funny. All these confettis. Oh, it also comes with a Fashionphile calendar. Pretty neat. Okay guys, here comes the unboxing. Oh my gosh. News is the new. Fashionphile.com. Let's come with that. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. Let's see. Comes with its own dust bag. I don't think this has a dust bag or the Louis Vuitton dust bag. It doesn't come with it. There you go. It has a little mark right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Come with a strap. Everything looks pretty okay, except that little mark there. The patina aged well. It looks pretty nice. I love it. There you go, guys. This is the Pochette Métis Louis Vuitton. This is the pre-loved one from Fashionphiles. I'm excited. Can't wait to wear it. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. And I will see you at my next video.